I've always liked to play with fire.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Watermelon Ninja. It's by Sky Bacon Fireworks, as you see. And this is a fountain. So that's a performance if you guys want to pause the video. But anyways, let's demo off Watermelon Ninja. It's a fountain by Sky Bacon Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Watermelon Ninja Fountain by Sky Bacon. Here we go, Watermelon Ninja. That's what she said, by the way. It gets crazy at the end. That was nice. Watermelon Ninja.